Richard at Crisel Ann, ito na ang pinakamahalagang bahagi sa buhay ninyo bilang bagong mag-asawa.
Richard, to take you, Crisel Ann, to be my wife, and I promise to God to be your loving husband, and I will be your side to share the happiness and success. I'll be the one to comfort you in the time of disappointment. I'll devoted my whole life for you on this day and forward. Thank you. Love you.
Crisel Ann, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito pamakaisang dibdib si Richard na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Padre.
Richard, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito pamakaisang dibdib si Crisel Ann na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Padre.
I would grant all your wishes if you promised me 1,000 kisses. I will never love another like you. So
hello baby, yay! Wedding na natin bukas. Finally, second dream achieved. Sana magustuhan mo yung simple gift ko. I love you so much. See you later. Love, Crisel.
And the air's getting thin with the
My baby, take my special gift for you. This will symbolize as time for us, to forever, that we will be as one. I love you so much, my wife and my forever. Child.
I believe in something more. All the days that came before led us right to where we are, right to where we are. It's all written in the stars. We've already come so far, and we can't change who we are, who we are. Who we are, who we are. I don't have all the answers, but right now is all that matters. I can never love another like I loved you. And we don't have to understand. Fate always has the upper hand, and fate chose me and you. I believe in something more. All the days that came before led us right to where we are, right to where
second dream, achieve. Ayun, dati, badminton partners lang tayo. Ngayon, partners in life na. Basta, huwag kang magbabago. Saka, alam mo naman na, na kahit iwan man tayo ng mundo, awayin man tayo, alam ko, mula ngayon, may kakampi na ako. Ayun. Ba't ako naiiyak? Sorry. Ayun. Mahal na mahal kita. Thank you.
I believe in something more. All the days that came before, let us ride to